Here, else find any more. He's digging. You found a baby one, Mace.
Oh, I do something odd. Oh, something really odd.
Could be a potato.
Wow, it's not.
You find a tiny one?
This stick is hard. I need one of those shovels.
Yeah, well, we don't want to hurt the potatoes. Oh, I think I see one. Keep digging.
No.
Let's see. That's just dirt, though, Mace. Or wait, is that a potato?
I got one.
Oh, no. It's just dirt.
Look
Look at Miss. Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Silly girl. Okay. Here, let Mama
Help.
try to help here.
Oh, there's something. Oh. I saw something late.
Yeah, I thought I did too.
Mom, and it's pretty hard. It's a
Is
potato.
it a potato?
Yeah.
He's all the way down there. No, don't stomp on the ground.
There's an ant on my pants.
Oh, there's a baby one. Here you go, Mace. Put him in there. You got him?
Oh, that's digging.
Oh, there's a big one right here.
Wow.
Right here. Oh, wow. Yeah, let me see. Let's put him in the basket.
I can dig another one. I can view it. I got it. Can't you view it?
No. Did
I
you
got
get
it.
him?
Yeah.
Good job. Let's get out of the dirt.
Achoo!
You got baby?
I better walk.
You found a rock.
Yeah. Oh. Anybody view any more? I think I got one. It looks like a rock.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, here's a baby.
Good job, Mom. Mom, you point for me, they see, and one point you. Because you got one. Wow. Mom, I think I built another one.
Yeah?
Oh, that's a rock.
Look at Miss says, what are you guys doing?
You can't do them.
I'm digging in the dirt. You dirty?
I dug a piece of rock.
You sure there's no more in there?
Come on. Okay.
Oh, I think I feel some. Ooh.
Mom, I think I see a little one.
Oop.
I found another one. I found more.
Oh my goodness, look at them all. How cool. Whoa, Mace. Grab it, Mace.
Wow, that's a heavy guy. Take that one. And let's dig him. Mom, help me dig him.
Oh man, look at how big he is.
No, you're gonna have to get that one.
Wow, guys. That's a big potato.
Oh, we should have got a lot.
Yeah, we did. Oh, don't toss him. You gotta, Macy. You gotta be very careful, okay? Keep Maybe?
No.
Oh, there's another one right here.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, let's do it.
Did you find some more?
Oh, yeah. But what? Let's dig. Hurry, let's dig them up.
You get them?
There's more. Bye. See?
Yeah.
Now stop digging them away.
You gotta grab them.
This one's pretty big.
Let me grab them. Wow, and there's two.
Whoa.
You okay, Mace? It's okay, it was just a truck.
Mom, look at this guy. Mom, you gotta put some in Macy's. She has none.
It's okay.
What's that? A worm. I found the right worm.
You found a worm,
Yeah. Yeah.
Emily?
What?
Okay. Let's see here. Is there any more, girls?
This is one.
I think that could just be a rock. Oh,
Pirate.
found one.
Mom, did you see that one?
No. You Mace, don't toss it. Remember, gentle. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, my panties are falling down. I can see Mr. now.
Yeah. You're putting dirt in C's hair. C, shake your head. Shake. You've dirted your hair now. Mrs. climbing the curtain. Emily. Okay, girls.
Let's dig more. My pants. I'm stick. I think we're at the bottom of the plant. Mom, you're digging a worm.
Yeah, I see that worm. Be gentle, Mace. Thank you.
Hello, Mom. Wow, I just pretty deep. Well, did you get one?
I don't see any.
Well, then let's just keep doing it, and then maybe let's find one.
You find one?
I think we just did some. Okay, so, alright. Play guy. What?
Did you find one?
No. Play one. Like that. Auntie. Oh, I built something. I think I just scratched a potato down there.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? Can you feel it?
I can feel it. Oh, it's a rock.
Hi,
Miss. Miss. Hi, Miss.
Mom, she wants me.
Silly Miss. She says, I'm sad, I'm in the house. Okay, girls, I think that's all we're going to get. Say thanks for watching.